In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to calculate row, column, and null spaces, all common topics in linear algebra. So you can see here we have three predefined matrices, one being 3 by 5, another one being 3 by 4, and a 3 by 3. Now to calculate row space, we can simply define row as A dot row space, and we're using A as that's our first matrix. So once we have this, we can come down and we can do for vec in row. Instead of print, we're going to use the display function, and we're going to do display vec for vectors. And you can see here it returned us a 2 by 5 matrix, or 2 row vectors. Now we can simply just swap this A to B to calculate our second matrix, and once again for C. Now for column space, we could do the same thing. It wrote out the code for me, so I used that, and you can see all we have to switch here is row space to column space. Now we can do the same thing here. We could switch C to B and run that. Once again to A. You can see here this doesn't change, and that's just because of our choice of matrices here. Now for the last one, we're going to do null space. We can do null equals C dot null space, and you can see it auto-generates our code here. We can accept that, and we can run it. Now you can see the 3 by 3 matrix returns us a singular vector. The 3 by 4 matrix will return us 2 vectors, and the 3 by 5 matrix will return us 3 vectors. So those are 3 simple methods to calculate row, column, and null space in Python, and I hope that saves you some time.